Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by trimming the variables that cause lag. Close heavy background apps and overlays so Metal has full GPU and CPU access. Then open Metal settings and choose 60 FPS if your system holds steady or 30 FPS for older rigs. Enable your GPU hardware encoder, NVENC or AMD VCE, so recording offloads from the CPU. Once done, make sure your in-game graphics are balanced. Lower shadow and particle quality to keep frame pacing consistent while capturing. Now you refine the pipeline so frames aren't dropped. Reduce capture bitrate to 1025 Mbps at 1080p to prevent encoder overload. For 4K, increase accordingly but test for stutters. Set a fixed keyframe interval, such as 2 seconds, to keep stream timing predictable. Direct Metal to write to an NVMe or fast SSD rather than a slow HDD because disk I/O spikes create microstutters. Finally, disable real-time overlays that hook frames and run a short test clip. Finish by cleaning up any remaining hiccups after capture. If the clip is choppy, transcode using the same hardware encoder to rewrap and correct timing without re-encoding quality loss. This often fixes audio sync. If you need smoother motion, try frame interpolation, but only after ensuring the source has consistent frame spacing. If problems persist, check Metal logs, update or clean install GPU drivers, and test with a fresh user profile. Those steps isolate conflicts that cause persistent lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.